How to create more storage space in your home. The first step in creating more storage space in your home is to get rid of the stuff that you're not using. The best way to maximize your space is to learn how to declutter. A good storage solution creates more space and streamlines your organization by grouping like items together. That way, everything has a proper home. Your prime real estate is the space in between your knees and your shoulders, says professional organizer Lisa Zoslow of Gotham Organizers. In other words, the best spaces are the easiest places to reach. Don't discount the space above your head and at your feet. They are great places to store out-of-season, holiday, little-used, and worn items. Take advantage of higher spaces by investing in a sturdy step ladder so you can reach these areas. Don't store anything too heavy up above. Boxes full of books or large appliances should stay low to the ground. For higher spaces, use small containers and keep them lightweight. You won't be hurt if they happen to come crashing down on you. Triple measure your storage spaces, like the inside of a closet door, before buying bins, trays, or racks. Storage products should fit your space so they are easy to access. Plan ahead and carry a note card with the measurements of your closets and other storage spaces in your wallet. Buy products that nest or stack together so they will stay neat. The uses for label makers are endlessly. Labels give your home organization efforts a polished and professional look. If you don't own a label maker, a set of Sharpie pens, tape, and some note cards work just as well. While decluttering and organize your storage spaces, you may find that you have a ton of items you need to store. Renting an off-site storage unit for a short time could be your best bet. This option is also particularly helpful if you're in between moves or recently downsizing and are waiting to host an epic tag sale or estate sale. Just keep an eye on your fees. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.